throwing your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
I've just had enough of you, lass.
You're the one that wants me to...
Embarrassed then. You're embarrassed me.
I followed the rules.
You don't know what you've done.
Come up to meet you, tell ya I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell ya I need you, tell ya I set you apart. Tell me your secrets and ask me your questions.
Nobody said it was easy.
It's such a shame for us to part.
Nobody said it was easy.
No one ever said it would be this hard. Oh, take me back to the start.
Nobody said it was
Please, just don't hurt Toothless. Dragon, that's what you're worried about.
such a shame for us to part. Nobody
Princess does not place her weapons on the table.
Mom, it's just my ball.
Princess should not have weapons in my opinion.